wondered, why did you tell me to bring, like, a video camera?
Make it stop! Please, I don't like how close this is to my God. Oh my God! Get out of here.
Oh, it's coming back the other way!
I don't like it! Oh my God.
Oh, it's over us.
Shut up!
Oh my God, it's coming. Stop! It's a car! It's a car! Oh, you're biting me. You're drooling on me.
We're never doing this. Oh my God! We're never doing this again. I don't like it. I don't like it.
How long did the video last?
I said it to just
Oh
take
my
the
God.
memory.
Why is it stopping?
Minutes.
Why is it stopping? Why is it stop? Why is it stop? Why is it stop? Stop it! I'm scared!
This thing is not over.
Shut up!
Hey, at least they didn't put the gates down.
What gate?
Oh yeah, the
Oh,
traffic
God.
gate.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, stop it! No! These flashes are something bad for you.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they scratch your car.
No, they don't.
Oh my God! Holy fucking shit! Oh my God! Make them stop! Please! I don't...
Well, why don't you get out and push the button?
Yeah, go press the emergency stop button.
Please don't. God! I don't like it. Oh my God! Make it move! Because I don't like this!
Well, you can make a run for it.
Run! Come on, would you stop pulling?
Stop.
No. It's not over yet. Conditioner!
What am I going conditioner for?
You need silky smooth hair.
I don't like this. Oh my God.
Look, it's peeing on it.
I don't want to do this ever again. Please, let's not do this ever again. I'm scared. I'm too scared! Oh my God. Stop!
Huh?
Oh Jesus Christ, not the fan. I don't want to do this. Please come back up, please.
You're ruining it.